Morning, Mr. B. Guys, good morning, guys. I love you guys. Ah, mag-try ulit tayo dito, guys. May kuha na? Eh? Hey, my yawa friend, guys. The EE man. You catching already? How many? Wow. Good size, no? Can I see that one? Guys, what's your name, my friend? What's your name? Oh, si Milvin Masga. Laki si Kusis tagay si Fernan at kami ngan now what time anak that one, the rabbit fish?
The rabbit fish plenty. For not zero, I'm looking.
Oh shit, that's the one, guys. It's good size. Sinigang again, guys. Yeah. Yan, kilawin mo. Si Mr. Good morning, Mr. Masga. Masga, Rubin? Oh, Melvin Masga, guys. Good morning, Mr. Melvin Masga. Alright, guys. Yeah. That's my bread. My bucket because I'm sit down my bucket ni. And I'm trying because nothing to do too. You know, they're enjoying. It's supposed to be my neighbor, Captain yesterday is coming. But he's trying to go there inside. He don't find the one, the small one, the rabbit fish.
Yeah.
That's fine.
Plenty this morning. Also got plenty.
Wow. What time you coming?
Zero, but maybe like 1
Good.
hour ago.
Yeah, guys, we'll be na
From here,
Masga.
I follow it all the way down. We went down to the street for.
Yeah.
Let's
Continue
say,
natin, guys.
Shut down more than one bucket.
Alright, good morning. Alright, guys. Now the E is a lot. According to Mr. Fernan. Guys, si Fernan, no? He's catching in the talagya, the killer of the EE. And the old man is the killer of the Maputi and Malit and the EE too. Alright, guys. Ayan, guys, oh. Kaya ito naman huli natin ngayon, Mr. B. Ilan nga sa ating. Yan. EE first, guys. I don't know what happened, but I don't know this season is EE, but already early coming. Right, Mar? But continuous na tayo, guys. Habang naghahuli tayo ng EE, pero nag-break time muna tayo kasi kumukuha tayo ng video. Enjoy catching. Alright. Oh. Si Manong, oh, smile, the fisherman. Alright, Ma. Continuous lang kami dito, Mar. Alright, let's go, guys. Ayusin pa natin yung ano natin. Kumaka nga ng EE dyan. Para mabidyo natin. Oo, tinaladya kasi. Kaya nawala na eh.
Sigurong nakita yung kono.
Oo, sigurado. Okay lang yun. Enjoy lang. Enjoy fishing lang. Marami naman yan dyan eh. Paayusin ko muna, guys, yung ating fishing rod. Mr. B, good morning. I love you, guys. And I love you, Mr. B. Alright. Kuntis lang. So, dalawa yan. Nasa kamay pa yan. Oh. You see that? Continuous lang, guys. Woohoo! Ang lalaki, oh. Ganun yan, guys. Ang pag-season ng E dito, kuntis ang catching yan. Alright. Alright, guys. Oh, another two, guys. Oh. Woohoo! Let me see, guys. Maro, the fisherman. Yan. Kita nyo yan? Ang lalaki yan, guys. Mamaya, puno na yung basket ka din. Yung plastic niya, guys. See, enjoy muna sa guys. Tayo nag-break time muna tayo si Papa Jer, guys. He still continues catching. Love you, guys. Woohoo! Love you, fisherman. And I love you, mama. Alright. Ito, fisherman, guys, oh. Pero back tayo sa shipper na niya, guys, eh. Talaga man yan, eh. Kaya pag season ng EE, ano yan. Pero tayo naman, dito naman tayo, guys. Uy! Taon, mama. Dun si mama. Malakapas, mama, uy. Uy, mabigat namin. Uy, yan. Yan lang tayo, guys. Good morning. Yeah, the Maputi. Guys. Is it? habang sila busy sa pagtaladya kasing see, look. Yan. Dito naman tayo guys. Ayan si Herman. Dito tayo sa maputi naman guys. Yan eh. Don't worry guys. Di papajiri pa guys. Simple lang yan guys mag-fishing. So mayroon na tayo dyan. May nakastock na tayo ng dyan. Let me see. Plus si mama naman ang ating kinukuha ngayon. Yes mama, I love you guys. I love Mr. B. I love you more. Alright guys, continues si Fernan catching the and Papa Cherry too continues catching maputi guys. I do is maputi. There maputi. Guys, oh. Yeah, another maputi guys. Come on mama. Yeah. Yeah. That's the Papa Cheer guys. Hey. Easy cuts. Woo! Good job na lang Papa Cheer guys. And si Fernan. Another guy. Continues fishing more. Maybe everybody now enjoying fishing. But si Papa Chewy. Sit down. Because we have a schedule in the hospital guys. No life. Enjoy lang guys. Life is short. Enjoy. You bring your money in the heaven. Woo-hoo. I love you guys. I love you mama. May laban naman tayo guys. Malakapas please, sigurado please. Kasi malakas kong hatak eh. Ayun. Ay, guys. Ayun oh. Laki ng malakapas. Malakapas guys. Malakapas. Malaking malakapas. Malakapas na guys. Bukit lang. Bukit na guys. Let's go guys! Malakapas! Fight malakapas! Come on agwas! Come on agwas! Come on agwas! Come on agwas! Do na shim! Come on agwas! Come on! Come on agwas! Come on agwas! Come on agwas! Do the loose! Come on agwas! Oh, the talakito ko ini. Woo, talakito. Big talakito, guys. Ideal yan, bro. Babantayin ka niyan. Sika. Oh, baka pati ako mamaya, umuhuli mo na. Urong-urong ko naman. Hindi ba ubus ang isda dyan, bro? Baka sabitan pa ako rito. Alright, guys. Si Herman, even very hot. He like the hot, bro. He's enjoying using taladya, man. Easy, look. He's a lot of, he's catching, wow. Yeah, he's big size. But very far. The grass. He said there's the side, guys. If you're willing to come and join to Herman to catching the good size. With the old man. Ang mukha. Sira na guys. Nakasimangot yan guys. Kasi hindi siya makaporma sa talaga. Enjoy Pop! Enjoy! Enjoy lang mas Papa Jerry Woohoo! I love you guys. Mama, this is the guys. The Herman is this side, but the is bite my line for the malakapas guy, the big one. Malakapas. Malakapas lang tayo guys. Sila busy sa paghuli ng pero kurtong-guntong iiyang guys. Manghuli tayo ng tinapay versus kanila. Ako pa, si Papa Jer pa guys. Malalaking ang huli natin guys. Ayan oh. Kumakain na ng ano yan guys. Ngayon. Uhuy. Uhuy. Si Papa Jer pa guys. Kurikong! Kurongkong! Yung dasal natin guys. Saka atin nga strike. Big size mama. Big size ang hinuli natin guys. Talakitok na to guys. Oh. Ha? Yes. Alright. Yung guys oh. Puta pag umatak sa akin oh. Andyan na lang siya. Sabi ko sa'yo Dre. Inaabangan ka lang Dre. Dre. Sabi ko sa'yo. Kasi ikaw yung ano yan. Alam niyang ikaw yung ako naman talakitok naman yung sa akin Dre. Magtyaga kayong dalawa dyan. Yung iilang kayo kasi ako talakitok yung tinitira ko ngayon. Opo, tayong malalaki yung sa akin guys. Tayo naman may magagalit din sa akin yan. Sabi, no Jiren, kuha mo. Kuntis lang guys. Kalapit na. Makita yan naman guys oh. Gusto ko makagat yan sa tinapay ko guys. Siyempre may ano yan eh. Si Papa Jerry yan guys eh. Pasimple na yan guys kasi oh. Come on mama. Guys oh. Sabi guys, talakitok yung ano natin guys. Oh, talagang talakitok yung si Papa na in love niya kay Papa Jerry. Oh. Hey guys oh. Nakatatong na ganyan ka lang. Ganyan na kalalaki guys oh. Okay na yan guys. Ayun oh. Malalaki oh. Ito niya sa Papa Jerry. Ayun oh. Oh, kinapantay siya ni ano guys eh. Kasi pag sumunod, tirahan ni ano yan. Ako simple lang. Tinapay na tayo guys. Gusto makita ni Manong ang talakitok natin. Ayan na, talakitok ko Kaya nga ginadandaan ko lang para pag nakita yung man, at least, ayun, laking talakitok Ayun oh. At least pag nakita ya, kalaya maputi lang na uli ko. Awa mo yung sibinon. Ayun, talakitok ko. Ayun oh. Padandaan lang yan eh. Danda lang guys. Tinan mo si Manong Continuous siya At least nagtatago kami sa hiding the tree. Talakitok eh. Hindi mo tawag akong talakitok eh. Diba? Diba sabi ko siya, tawag akong talakitok, diba? Ayan naman talakitok yan guys. Tiger talakitok yan eh. Si Papa the Tiger talakitok loves me. Si guys maniwala ka sa akin. 100% na guys. Si Papa Jir pa guys. Papa asking talakitok 100%. Yan guys yan na guys Tandaan na natin guys kasi yung papalaton sa Papa Jerry guys ayun ayun na guys sabi ko Tiger talakitok ulit guys ayun guys walang saan ayun guys Tiger talakitok ayun guys. Yun guys, kayo pag mag-wish kayo sa dagat, asking maputi. Tiger talakitok guys. Yun nyo lang guys. Tingnan nyo man ang galon ko guys. Tingnan nyo ang galon niya, maputi. Talakitok, tiger talakitok guys. Lalaki yan. Pagpaputing laki yan. Isa. Right. Guys. Afternoon. Buhay. Guys. See? Come on, baby. Come on. Yan. Shoot, bro. Yeah. And si Herman also stay there. And Papa July. Time to go. And by the way, this is my cats too. So guys, this is it. Mar. Dispensa Mar. And Mr. B, my darling. This first my cats in gardening. See? Okay na. It's not bad. Different EE. Alright. Continues tomorrow again, guys. Nothing to do. Busy time. I love you guys. God always love you guys. Don't think about the money. Think about the God. Because if you're dying, doing one sins, you don't have money. But he said, somebody said, everybody need money. Yeah, of course. Everybody need money. But depends on you how to use the money. Alright guys, love you guys. This is it guys. Ito naman ang huli natin ngayon. Kaya sabi na nito, yung tiger talakitok, paano ko daw nahuli yan guys. Sa totoo yan guys, tinapay lang pain ko nito. Yan. Pero itong kasi lang makikita sa video ko na may si Herman nandoon, kaya yung matanda nagataladya sila guys. Kaya ito mo yung huli ko ngayon. Okay, thank you guys for watching and God bless you. Ito ngayon huli natin. Maybe tomorrow again guys, kasi may lakad ako sa hospital ngayon guys. Check up ko ulit guys. Okay, thank you for watching. God bless you guys. I love you mama, I love you in the sea and the land, and I love you Mr. B in Sacramento. Love you guys. See you soon. Another video. Please don't forget to subscribe. Bye.